All right, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Good Burger, home of the Good Burger. May I take your order? Starting off topic 9 here, and we're going to be taking fractions and really talking about them as division problems and vice versa. And so this is something we've talked about a little bit as far as taking improper fractions and making them into mixed numbers, that fractions and divisions are very closely represented. So some essential ideas to highlight in your notes, right? The fraction bar symbolizes a division sign. Right? So the numerator is the dividend and the denominator is the divisor, excuse me. So now we have, right, several different ways we can represent division, right? We could do 3 divided by 2. We could do 3 divided by 2. 3 divided by 2. 3 divided by 2, right? And that basically we're talking about division is splitting things up into equal piles. And so, right, if you think about, fractions here, we are basically splitting those things into equal piles when we're dividing, right? If your denominator is 4, whatever your numerator is, you're taking pizzas and you're dividing them into 4 equal slices. So every fraction is a division problem. All right. So we're talking about some waffles for a little bit. Okay. So in the first example here, there are 3 waffles and 4 people. And so if we think about 3 being split among 4, that would be 3 split among 4. Or that would be 3/4 of a waffle per person. And I'm going to draw a picture just for this first one here. Right, here are 3 waffles. They're Eggos. They come circular. Right? We're going to split it among 4 people. So I'm going to split them into 4s. And I'm going to get this piece in each waffle. And Mr. T is going to get this piece in each waffle. And Mr. Sandor is going to get this piece in each waffle. And Mrs. Kelly is going to get this piece in each waffle. And you'll notice, right, if we take the total amount for one person, right, each person, right, if I just look at what I'm getting, I'm the blue sections, that's 1/4, 2/4, 3/4 of a waffle. And that's where those numbers came from. So in the next 2 examples, right, we have 3 waffles for 8 people and 2 waffles for 5 people. See if you can't fill in the next 2 boxes. Pause your screen and try it. Right, you'll notice that in both cases, the number of waffles we have is our dividend, and we are splitting that into by the number of people we have. Okay, some number line examples here, right? If we were going to, right, take 5/8, right, we can think of multiplying that as 1/8 out of 5 wholes, but essentially you are breaking this up into groups, right, of 5/8. So there's a group, and 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 there's a group. Right? But basically what we're thinking of here, right, is 5 divided by 8 is 5/8. Notice I took 5 wholes, and there are now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 equal groups. Same thing here, right? I'm making 3/8, so that is 3 divided by 8. So here's 1 group, 2 groups, 3 groups, 4 groups, 5 groups, 6 groups, 7 groups, 8 groups. 3 divided by 8 would be 3/8. And so down here, I'm going to do one of each problem, and then I want you to try the rest on your own, right? A division expression for each of these, right? That would be the top divided by the bottom. This should be a review from topic 8 in simplifying improper fractions, right? Going the other direction, I know that my dividend would go over my divisor. So pause the screen and try the rest of these. I'm going to focus on this one down here that doesn't really have a number, where it says write 13 divided by 33 as a division expression and as a fraction. You'll notice that 13 divided by 33, written just as it says, and then the 13 is over the 33, right, or 13 over 33. So your next steps would be to log into the online textbook, complete the practice buddies for 9.1 and 9.2. You must complete both of them. Thanks so much, and have a great day.